everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for posting this late, I just been busy and sick, but I wanted to share with you guys what coupons we will be getting in this Sunday's paper. Now keep in mind that everybody gets different coupons, and I made a video showing you guys where I get my coupons if you guys need certain ones, because everybody gets different coupons. But I usually just Google the date of the coupons that come out, and then I find whatever website. So this is SundayCouponInserts.com. I'm not sure how many inserts we're getting, but I'm going to show you guys what we got. So we got the Crest 3D, Crest, $1 off, I can't even pronounce that. Dixie plates, $1 off of 2, and I just mentioned that they're buy one get one free at Walgreens. Usually there's also a deal on Saving Star. Garnier Whole Blends, we're getting $2 off, which could be a decent coupon. L'Oreal Paris hair dye. Right Guard Best Dress, $1 off that, and then we're also getting $1 off any Extreme or Sport. And then Venus Razors, $3 off, so that was a Retail Me Not. Here is the Smart Source. We got a Vino Body Lotion, Bertolli Olive Oil, Blink Contacts for $3, $5, $3, Blue Diamond Nut Thin Crackers, Clairol, Edge and Skintimate Shaving Cream, Fiber One Bars, 50 cents off of 2. Hostess, Bakery Petites, those are those little donuts that I've seen everywhere. Yeah. Infusium, Mitchum Deodorant, $1 off that. Palmolive Dish Soap, 25 cents. Pert Products, $1, $2. Palm, which is the pomegranate, 50 cents. Rimmel London, we're getting $2 off any eye products, and then $1 off eye, lip, or face products. So that could be a great coupon. Chic Hydro, Chic Sore Babies, I'm thinking that's ice cream. Spray and Wash Laundry, 75 cents. We're getting Kotex coupons, $3 off at 2. Those have been really great coupons. We've gotten those for the last 2 months. They don't expire to July 21st, so yeah. Then we got Yoplait, and then Zest. So it looks like we're just getting 2 inserts, which is fine. I'm hoping, we have some really good coupons, or coupons that show up on coupons.com. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.